My name is Ainur Azatbakyt. I'm from Kazakhstan. I'm a Master of Pedagogical Sciences. Currently, I'm studying philology, Kazakh philology, at Department Kazakh Russian and the Journalism at in Sarsen Amanzholov, East Kazakhstan University. So from my point of view, I prefer online conferences rather than physical because, first of all, it's very convenient and you can arrange the time when you are busy. For example, when especially for women who have a family, it's very convenient and useful. And that time you couldn't go travel overseas, and that's why you can just arrange your time and keep in touch in by online conferences, and wherever you are in your time, you can keep in touch and meet with your, for example, professors in online conferences. Of course, I encourage and recommend my colleagues and friends to online international conferences because it's very useful and convenient when they do research works. It develops their research skills, and when they are busy, they can choose such kind of research, international research conferences. I think if they have time, they can join. They can join anytime. I liked your conference. Everything, all the procedures is organized very well. It was very great chance for me to exchange with experiences with other researchers all over the world. And also I can enjoy their presentations also. And we share with our opinions, and it was very a great experience for me. And in future, I think I will definitely will join you, and also I will participate